Welcome to my presentation. Today we will be discussing starfall.com. It is an iOS, Android, web-based, and you can download it free on Google Play and iTunes. It is a tool for gamification. Starfall.com is web-based and is used to teach basic reading, writing, and math for children ages 3 to 8 years of age. Starfall was founded in 2002 by Stephen Schutz. He owns a publishing company called Blue Mountain Arts. He developed this website because he had trouble reading books when he was younger. He decided to help young readers by creating this website. Starfall.com is very safe and is listed by the Kids Safe Seal program. The website is partly free. You have to pay $35 per year for a personal membership. Schools pay $270 per year since there's a lot of people using the site. Starfall Education Foundation is a publicly supported nonprofit organization. That is why the site is low cost, so all children can benefit from the learning experience. Let us have a look at the site now. The site is divided into two sections: kindergarten and preschool, and grades 1, 2, and 3. First of all, there's a store area. This is where the adults buy things and order. That's when they order stuff. I guess that's where you buy the membership. And then there's a parent-teacher center. That's where all the resources, free resources, sheets. They could practice sheets. They can download them and print them off and use them. The kids can use them here. Then there's math practice sheets. Word and picture cards. Lesson plans. Guides. You could go on endlessly with all this free resources. So far, there's some free resources here. I guess it gets unlocked when you pay, but this is what's available right now. To Starfall. Start with the basics. Okay, so there's the kindergarten side and the grade 1, 2, 3. Here's the how to join side. This is if you want to join. Back to the index. The signing in. About, help, contact, terms, privacy. So now here we're going into this section, and you'll see there's only some available resources because you have to pay. So we'll just see this here. See how all those ones that are colored in are all unlocked. Here's the months of the year. Here's an example. These are songs.
The months of the year.
January, February, March, and April, May, and June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, July, and August,
Going back, that's the songs. And there's rhymes. Books, it's fun to read. Magic. Pick magic here. It says click and drag the words to label your magician. So, hat,
Hat. Coat. Pants. Shoes. Great job.
So kids have fun playing with this and learning and enjoying it.
Goodbye.
So those are all the activities for the kindergartens. Now we'll go explore the other grades. Grades 1, 2, and 3. So there's grades 1 math, 2, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 English. Look at that. And everything is there's only some available. Everything is all locked for paying. You have to pay for that. All these ones that aren't colored in. We'll do this punctuation and end marks. Story. It's just loading now. Oh, hello, I'm Sam, Detective Sam. I solve mysteries. And yeah, there's all these activities for that one there. Yeah, so those are all of what's available for this website. The types of UDL in starfall.com, there is multiple means of representation, colorful visuals, stories to listen to, games to play, and videos to watch. And then in terms of multiple means of engagement, there's activities to do with the resource sheets where the kids can participate. My overall impression of starfall.com is that it's very safe, easy to use. There's colorful graphics. It's very colorful. Kids practice letter sounds, learn how to read, math, rhyme, and games. So it's a lot of learning. Some of the site is free, but you have to pay $35 a year, and it's very inexpensive. But just paying is not good. Is a drawback, but it's a low price. It's inexpensive, so you can use their resources. And many schools use this site, and it provides education and enjoyment for students. I know the school that I work at, the students are always working on this site, are always on this site, and they don't want to get off, and they're just hours of enjoyment. Yeah, so there's hours of enjoyment, and the kids love it, and it's perfect for education. Here are the references, and thank you for listening to my presentation.